prompt from the team from Madhus. Whenever and there was an issue like updating a new model, the team from Madhus were very prompt to come and update it in the system.
Hi, this is Vinayak Patil here. I'm the service manager at Tata Motors. The revenue part, we have increased with the revenue with the number of alignment vehicles were being increased. Like we were doing 15 to 20 vehicles, wherein we are ending up to 25 to 28 vehicles per day. So the revenue has been increased thanks to our management as well as Madhus people who helped us with this kind of solution regards to our business.